Good evening. Today I'm Soumya and this is Dr. Meeta Puri. We'll be having a discussion understanding narcissism and the narcissistic personality disorder from one of the leading experts in this field. Dr. Meeta, I'm sure you've already done millions and millions of videos about it. But again, to start off the series that we are creating, could you just briefly explain what is narcissism and narcissistic personality disorder?
A narcissistic personality disorder comprises of 4 5 basic features, and one is lack of empathy is there, then feeling of abandonment, sense of abandonment, perception, feeling of rejection, and a chronic feeling of emptiness. And but the basic thing is I, me, myself. The ego is so strong that you feel that you are the victim and the rest of the world is out there to victimize you. And that is how one becomes very, very aggressive, but their self esteem is really shattered. We need to understand that.
I hear you. In fact, narcissistic personality disorder is such a complex term. Even the mental health professionals or people who are in that situation and trying to learn more about it, they Google it, no? They get such weird terms also that none of us understand what they mean. So I'd actually like to ask you a couple of these terms. One is flying monkeys. What does that mean?
Flying monkeys are those well wishers whom this narcissistic person collects from this victim. He's already victimized this particular victim into into his own zone, and he's put that person in this zone, and he's victimized that person, yet he's calling other people so-called well-wishers and friends, and framing, narrating different kind of narratives to them. So he is putting two or three facts and then making another narrative out of that, where he is trying to victimize this victim and doing public smearing. He's trying to tell people that okay, this fellow, he's victimizing me, he's troubling me, he's torturing me, he's not listening to me, he's being disobedient, he's being disrespectful, so on and so forth. But the fact of the matter is that they are the ones who are victimizing this poor fellow, and these well wishers then they collect together these flying monkeys and trying to put sense in this victim who is already battered. So,
Okay.
adding insult to the injury, Soumya, it's really painful.
So it's basically those well wishers who end up
Being
becoming the.
flying monkeys.
Okay. And they are also, in a way, a part of this entire complex web, then. Na? They
Yeah,
were first outside, right? They
yeah,
had nothing to do with the entire scenario, they didn't know anything. But because the person who's suffering from this disorder kind of pulls them in,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then throws them towards the victim, so to speak. That's when they come into this entire picture and entire
Exactly.
profile.
Exactly. Yeah. And that is adding insult to the injury because those people really don't know what is the truth, but
Right.
they are believing this narcissistic person, and this person is a master manipulator and skilled in brainwashing the brains of even the most so-called educated or qualified or intellectual people. And this has happened number of times, and number of times people come and talk about the flying monkeys, which make their life so very difficult.
I hear you, but you know what I was seeing there? As a victim, you made a very beautiful little box where the victim is stuck, right? Now, to get out of the box, sometimes you need support systems. You need your family, your friends, your well wishers, right? But when you're stuck in this box and these flying monkeys are thrown at you, who are actually your well wishers, right? Then I just can't imagine the dilemma the victim feels because he is supposed to see them as, you know, their well
Friend,
wishers, but instead they are the ones who are being attacked in that situation. So they do. How will they even ask for help? How do they even?
so the best way in dealing with these monkeys is flying monkeys is leave them, ignore them
Hmm.
until some sense gets into them again and they are able to think with their mind.
And
As of now, they are thinking with this narcissistic person's abnormal mind and they behave abnormally. then that is the time, Soumya, that the victim, he or she has to get out of this zone and trying to see who the real friends are, who the real family is, who can be supportive. And if there is none, then work on oneself to build up one's self esteem. It is very, very difficult. Trust me, it's very, very difficult.
Right. Thank you so much. We were just listening and understanding to one term, and we went into such a deep, deep discussion. And I'm sure as the series continues and we talk about more of this and understand this topic better, we'll have wonderful, wonderful discussions coming up.
Definitely, Soumya, and I'm sure that people would have enjoyed listening to that.
I'm
So
sure.
please like, follow, and subscribe our channel so that you can understand more about the subject and can help others also understand the subject better.